So having ambassadors in communities is really important for me because it enables those young people to work with other young people in the community to raise awareness about the convention, the role of the commissioner, and to think about what the commissioner needs to know about their lives in their local community.
We need more stuff for children and young people to do in Swansea, better advertising on the What's On programme.
Drugs lead to antisocial behaviour and create a negative stigma for the area.
I think it's paramount for schools to raise that awareness with children.
To tell other people what their right is.
To let them know what they're entitled to as children.
Promote the UNCRC and the Children's Commissioner of Wales.
Be a voice to children and young people in our community.
Feeding back to Keith about issues that we've raised.
Drug abuse, antisocial behaviour.
Racism in the community, in schools and just on the street.
Local safety, whether this be through internet or whether just in the street itself.
Drug dealing.
Getting advocacy across and get social workers to work with the young people.
It's not all just writing and stuff. We have fun, we play.
We then brainstorming came up with the best ideas, which resulted in video making and things like that. So I think it included everyone and everyone's strong points as well.
There's a lot of people that help us. We're in groups, and the volunteer people, they help us.
Come up my child group participation.
Confident, more confident, even in school.
I've enjoyed every minute of it.
The Welsh Government don't really know what the young people want right now, so then with us helping they might get a better idea.
Before, I didn't think that children were listened to, but now I feel like we are.
Here in the UK they talk about equality, they promise me authority but never give me liberty. All I see is dissing me because I'm a minority. This type of abuse just isn't how it's meant to be. Being shackled up for years but still we got an empathy. All the talent lies, the world don't make any sense to me.
I ain't asking for handouts cause I know charity, I just want what's mine, I just want some clarity.